Hello everyone, welcome to Question Mark YouTube channel. So in today's video, let's look about double division method. Double division method. Okay, what exactly is double division method? Let us look in this video. Okay, I believe that you all know division, right? If you don't know division, so I'll be providing the link in the description so that you can learn the division process. So here I'll be discussing regarding the double division method. So before discussing regarding the double division method, the process, let me explain to you why this method is used. Suppose for the division method, so if you know the multiples of any table, like suppose you'll be knowing the table till 15, right? So 15 times 1, 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30. So you'll be knowing till 15 times 10 is 150. So most of the students will be knowing till 15. But they are not sure regarding 18 table or 21 table, 22 table, or if you get the number like this. So 1568 divided by 32. So how will you do this? So this in a normal division process, it's difficult to do, right? You can't. I'm not telling that you can't do. It is somewhat quite complicated process to do this. So for these kinds of problems, double division method is the useful method. Okay. So double division method is used in these kinds of problems when the divisor is greater than 15 or greater than 20. So whatever table you know, suppose it can be 3-digit number 325. Okay, suppose if the number is like 3 to 1568 divided by 325. So it's a quite a complicated process. So let's look at some easy process. Let's take some easy number. Okay, so let us take 1568 divided by 32. Okay, let us look by using the same problem. So 1568 divided by 32. So the first step that you need to do is you need to draw a table like this. So inside the table you need to write the dividend. So what is dividend? So dividend is a number which is getting divided, right? So 1568 you'll be writing over here. And what is the divisor? 32. So 32 I'll be writing here. Okay. Before solving this, you need to do a very important steps. You need to follow these steps. What do you need to write? So you need to write into 1. Okay, into 1. So after this you need to add the same numbers 4 times. See, 1 plus 1, you need to add here 32 plus 32. So just write the answer. What is 32 plus 32? 64. What is 1 plus 1? 2. Okay, we'll put into here. So we got 2 numbers here. We need another 2 numbers. Other 2 numbers we need to get. Okay, so for that we need to do the process once again. You need to add the same numbers here. Okay, so 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, same number I'm adding. So even here you need to add the same number, 64 plus 64. Now write down the answer. What is 64 plus 64? 128. So what is 2 plus 4 here? 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 is 4 here. Okay, into. So we got 3 numbers. We need to do just one more time. So one more time, if you add the same number 4 plus 4 and 128 plus 128, what would be the answer? What is 4 plus 4? 4 plus 4 would be 8. And what is 128 plus 128? It would be, so 8 plus 8 is 16. 1 is carried to 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. And 2 plus 2, 1 plus 1 is 2. So you'll be getting 8 times 256. So let's stop till here. So this is done. The first important process is done here. Okay, so let's go to the next step. What is the next step? You need to solve this. So before taking this, see here, you need to take the first digit. So can I take 1 and divide? No, because the minimum number here is 32, right? So what here you have 4 numbers, right? So 32 is the first number, 64 is the second number, 128 is the third number, 256 is the last number. 4 numbers. Okay, so here 32 is the minimum number. So you need to take the number, you need to underline the number which is more than 32. You can't do with 15 also, because 15 is less than 32. You need to take 156. So 156 is, if you take, it is more than 32. Okay, now you need to compare which number is closer to 156. In the same way, it should be lesser than 156. So see, the condition is the number should be closer to 156 and lesser than 156. Which is the number among these 4? So 32 is lesser than 156 but not closer to 156. 64, yes, it is lesser but not closer. 128, yes, it is lesser. Yes, it is also close. And what about 256? No, it is not, like it is not even lesser and not even closer. We need to take 128. It's a suitable number. So this, I'll be writing 128 over here. Okay, I'll be underlining this. So which number is like there is another number, right? 8 is present here, right? So 8. So 8, I'll be taking this down. I'll be carrying this forward, carrying it down. So what is 128 belongs to 4, right? So 128 belongs to 4. Let me write 4 here. Okay, let us write 4. And how many numbers you have carried down? Only one number, right? So I need to add 1 0 here. If you carry one number, you need to add 1 0 next to it. Okay. After this, what do you need to do? You need to subtract. Okay, subtract. What is 8 minus 8? I'll be writing as it is. And what is 156 minus 128? So it's not possible. Let me borrow. So this becomes 4 and this becomes 16. So 16 minus 8 is 8. And what is 4 minus 2? It's 2. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So I'll be getting 288 as the answer. So now here you need to follow the same process. Let us do the underline. Let me underline 2 digits. No, it's not possible because 28 is less than 32, right? I'll be underlining 3 digits. So you'll be getting 288. So which number is less than 288? All the 4 numbers are less, right? 32, 64, 128, 256. All the 4 numbers are less than 288. Which is closer value to 288? It's 256, right? So 256 is belongs to which number? 8, right? So it is nothing but 32 times 8 is 256. I'll be writing 8 here and I'll be writing 256 here. Okay. So now, do I need to carry any number down? No, right? So I'll not be adding any 0. So now let me subtract. What is 288 minus 256? 8 minus 6 is 2. 8 minus 5 is 3. And 2 minus 2 is 0. You are getting 32, right? 32 as the answer. You are getting 32 as the answer. Now check. 32 is equal to 32, right? Yes, I'll be taking 32. Okay, so 32 times 1 I'll be writing here and I'll be writing 32 here. Okay, because 32 is equal to 32. Okay, so 32 minus these numbers. What is 32 minus 32? Is equal to 0, right? So you're getting 0 as the remainder. So let's stop here, because if you got 0 as the remainder, or if you got any number which is less than the minimum value, that is 32 as the remainder, you need to stop till there. Okay, we almost completed 95% of the problem. So now what you need to do, you need to circle the bigger number. Okay, what are the numbers you got here? 40, 8 and 1. You need to add these three numbers. Add the numbers which you got here. You need to add those numbers. So 40 plus 8 is 48. 48 plus 1 is 49. So what is the quotient? So what you add, this will be the quotient. And what is the remainder? This one, the one which you got at the end, is the remainder. So remainder is 0. Okay, so quotient is 49, whereas the remainder is 0. Okay, so divisor is 32, divided is 1568. So if you can verify by cross-checking your answer with a calculator if you have any doubt. So if you multiply 49 with 32, you need to get 1568. Okay, so if you multiply 49 into 32, you'll be getting 1568 as your answer. So this is how you do the division without the help of calculator. So you can try any kind of problems. Okay, so your homework, you can try the other problems. Let me give you one more problem. You can take any problem of your your favorite digits, like 7777 divided by 70. You can even do this one, or you can try any other random number. So it can be 2 digits, it can be 3 digits. Just try, have fun and enjoy maths. Okay, and thank you very much.